100,000 people will be there.
I'll be on vacation. I'm going to Alaska.
God, man, I would love to join you. Here we go.
All right.
Let's go racing, Gary Young. Let's see who gets the Lucas Oil hole shot. It is not going to be, well, it might be. Oh, a couple of riders, lots of riders going down. I don't know how Dylan Cunha pulled that third place start off. He was about 7th or 8th and made some magic happen, but let's see who our leader is. It's the 599. The 599 gets the My Lucas Oil Hole Shot Award. And that is Caleb Adams. He had a 2nd in the qualifier. So more riders tangling up at the bottom of the hill here. Bike on top of bike. So Caleb Adams, the number 599 machine with the hole shot. Dylan Cunha, he was literally 7th or 8th place, about 300 feet out of the starting gate. Some crafty moves there by the 16-year-old. Let's see how this thing plays out. Caleb Adams now gets pushed back to the number 2 spot as Cunha has made the pass on the 599 machine. So Cunha got himself a big bear yesterday. See if he can get himself another one.
That was his first big bear ever. 8 years up here. Dylan thinks 7. Dad said 8.
Ah, I got you. Eight years to get a bear. That's some stick-to-itiveness there. And Cunha almost got into trouble there in that 450 class. He got a terrible start, then totally let up. He did not want to get involved in the crashes that were happening around him, and then someone hit him from behind. And he went down. He was trying to stay out of all that mess. But he is back. Mike Miller approves. Keep that shirt on, Mike. So here is your Pro X running order. Dylan Cunha out front. Caleb Adams 2nd. Memphis Kaufman 3rd. Seth Johnson is 4th. Kai Kapahi is 5th. Chase Taylor is 6th. Hernan Olquin is 7th. Hawk Hand is 8th. Colin Hudson 9th. And Tyler Hartman rounds out your top 10. And out for a Sunday stroll is the number 55. Kawasaki Fly Racing Pro Circuit AmeriCorps SMX backed Dylan Cunha. Down the Mammoth Freeway we go. You can pick him up. He's got the bright green motorcycle, the Black Fly Racing setup. This kid's ready for Loretta Lynn's. But like we said, there's a couple of other Dylan Acuñas out there waiting for you. You just haven't met them yet. And they will all meet up at the ranch. Good ride for the 58 of Seth Johnson. 2:10 lap times exactly. In fact, Johnson was 100th of a second quicker than your leader, Dylan Cunha. Caleb Adams 3rd with a 2:15, a 2:15 for Memphis Kaufman. And Kai Kapahi with that 2:17.
Dylan Cunha just flying down the downhill. Seth Johnson wants a piece of Dylan badly.
Cunha out to a 4-second lead, trying to stretch that out as we speak. Here's your top 10. Brendan Bacall is 10th. Hawk Hand is 9th. Tyler Hartman 8th. Chase Taylor 7th. Hernan Oakland is 6th. Kai Kapahi is 5th, pardon me. Memphis Kaufman is 4th. Caleb Adams is 3rd. Seth Johnson trying to reel in your leader, Dylan Cunha. But that's a tall order. He's making a run, but I don't know that he's cut into that 4-second deficit. 2 more motos remain. 250B at C final and the 450 Pro final.
Josh Briggs, the rider on the outside looking in right now, sitting 11th out there.
You got to get that bear.
Heck yeah, come all this way. Little bear is better than no bear, baby.
Oh, absolutely. He's 2 seconds behind our 10th place rider, Brendan Bacall. So he's got a chance. So Dylan Cunha goes down right there by the mechanics area. And Cunha now will be relegated back to the number 2 spot. A huge lead for the 55 of Seth Johnson. The white flag will come out this next time around, so that is a lot to ask of Dylan Cunha. And now Seth Johnson has a shot. His mom is pumped. You better clear a lane. She's coming through. And here comes Dylan Cunha. He's going to have to make up a ton of time as Seth Johnson is on his way to a big bear.
Caleb Adams grabbing that whole shot regard. He is still holding on to that 3rd position out there. Caleb going to pick himself up a $50 Lucas whole shot check.
So there's your leader heading towards the Jeremy's pad turn. A sizable lead for Seth Johnson out of Escondido, California. Dylan Cunha made that one mistake over by the mechanics area. And he's going to have to look over his shoulder because there's Caleb Adams and Memphis Kaufman. White flag it is coming out. 1 more to go. 2:09 lap times for both Dylan Cunha and Seth Johnson last time around. Seth Johnson on his way to a big bear. It looks like he's got about a 10-second lead. There is your leader one more time. He'll take it down the Mammoth drop, hang a right. And then about 8 turns back and forth as he works his way through the switchbacks. There's Dylan Cunha, our race leader for a bit. So down the Mammoth Freeway we go. One more turn, and Seth Johnson can fist pump all the way back home, and Seth Johnson is going to be your winner. He will get the big bear. He had to work his way into the number 2 spot. Dylan Cunha goes down. He takes over, and he will cruise right on up to the AmeriCorps SMX podium. Dylan Cunha will finish up second. Caleb Adams will be third. Memphis Kaufman fourth, and Tyler Hartman rounds out your top 5. That'll do it from race number 21, 250C Junior 12 to 17. And we will toss it down to Gary Young with our winner.
Thank you very much, Kevin. Seth Johnson, congratulations, man. Here's your moto medal. Good ride out there, man. You were in second for a long time, and something happened up front, and you took over.
Yeah.
What happened to Cunha?
I don't know. I just came over the table and I saw his bike and him all over the berm. I don't know what happened, if he slid out or something, but.
Tell me about your ride.
I got a good jump off the start and just trying to work my way up through the pack. And him going down helped me up big time, getting the win, and I just rode my race from there.
All right, congratulations. You got yourself a big bear here at the 250 Junior class. That's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
All right, thank your sponsors, dude.
I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, NCY, Legion's Clothing, Moto Loans, DJP, Dragon, Cryo Heat, everybody else, thank you.
Seth Johnson, your winner, 250 Junior. Good job. We'll see you later. Hit that big one. Where's Caleb at? All right. I'll come to you. We can do it right here. How you doing, Caleb? Good job. Good job. You got a whole shot, man.
Thank you.
How was it?
Good? That was fun.
You finished third.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
The track was rough, sandy.
Is that all you got?
Yeah.
Third place, rough, sandy.
Yeah.
You got $50 in your hands. That's pretty cool, though, huh?
Yeah.
All right, thank your sponsors.
I'd like to thank my mom and dad, the rest of my family, my neighbor Sergio. That's it.
All right, Caleb Adams, congratulations. You can see you on the winner's podium later. Got a nice fan club out there, Caleb. Kevin Kelly, back to you in the Tom White Sky Deck.
Yes, sir. Race 22. The two.
Gate is down. Who is it gonna be? Right there. We got a new leader? We do. You know, it's everything. Inside out. I think it's fast. John, what do you think?
Fall championship here with a 1-1 mid-year class champion for the 9 to 15 mini
Put your
open
hands
class.
together for Jeff